enabling and disabling the administrator account on Windows is a common administrative task. Please note that performing these actions requires administrative privileges on the computer. Here's how you can do it. The first option is using command prompt. Right-click on the command prompt or Windows PowerShell icon in the Start menu. Select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. net space user space administrator space /active : yes. Second option is using computer management. Right-click on the This PC or My Computer icon on the desktop or in the File Explorer. Select Manage to open the computer management window. In the left pane, navigate to Local Users and Groups. In the right pane, double-click on the Administrator account. Uncheck the Account is disabled option. Click OK to enable the account. To disable the administrator account, the first option is using command prompt. Open command prompt as an administrator. Type the following command and press Enter. net space user space administrator space /active : no. The second option is using computer management. Open computer management as described above. Navigate to Local Users and Groups. Double-click on the administrator account. Check the Account is disabled option. Click OK to disable the account. Remember that these instructions are specific to Windows, and the steps might vary slightly depending on the Windows version you are using. Always exercise caution when making changes to user accounts and system settings.